I broke my teeth.
As scary as this looks, these are actually dental implants, so basically these are fake teeth that are falling out. She tried to pick up this firefighter. These American jets were doing some training off the coast of Alaska when a Russian jet got a little too close.
Hey, let's go, Malcolm Mamba. Oh, yeah. What the fuck? What the?
This referee got a little too close to the action.
Y'all, what do I do, y'all? Do I call the cops?
This YouTuber took an electric scooter and made it look like a boring utility box, so he can park it anywhere without having to worry about anyone stealing it. They went to this restaurant to visit their friend who was a waiter.
Yeah, Weston. Woo.
Here's a great way to get fired. These flight attendants recorded themselves doing tricks during takeoff. This polar bear is smart enough to spread out their body weight when walking over thin ice. This dog doesn't believe that the door is open. I think this guy has mastered the gym and is waiting for Gym 2 to come out.
Oh. No. No.
The delivery guy managed to lock her inside of her own house. I think they parked their house a little too close to the water.
Oh, no. Yep.
The whipped cream wasn't coming out, so she had to intervene. This guy had one job, and he absolutely nailed it. I swear this is so creepy, but this dog sounds exactly like they're saying mama.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
So I guess goats are a lot smarter than they look. She walked into her apartment to find that her neighbor somehow got into her plumbing system. This cat was investigating this new security camera.
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
Someone attached a fake snake to this golfer.
Karen. No.
I don't think her wish is coming true.
Honk just divorced. Well, that's cool, I guess.
It looks like someone fell asleep in the rain.
Kissing. Kissing up. Okay. Oh my god.
They wanted to see who was responsible for ruining this little girl's birthday. This is how motorcycles are tested before they go on the market. This is what happens when a boat goes through bioluminescent water in Norway.
Fatal incidents of cannibalism.
So what would be the name of this dance move? The odds of getting stabbed by a squirrel might be low, but it will never be zero. Imagine going to the bathroom and finding this in your toilet.
Oh my gosh. Rosie? What you doing? Rosie! What are you doing in there?
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.